So I'm just going to take you through how to wash the Sitting Pretty halo. I'm going to do it here in the kitchen sink, but you don't have to do it. You can do it in the shower if you want to. And so you want to start, probably don't want to have it on too hot, so lukewarm's pretty good. And you just want to soak the hair. Once the halo is wet, you want to grab, I'm using the Sitting Pretty formula shampoo, and you just want to sort of like squeeze enough so that it covers, like, you know, maybe the top half of the halo. You don't need to go all the way down. So you want to massage the shampoo into the halo like this. You don't want to sort of like scrunch it up and sort of like ruffle it up too much, because then it'll tangle, and you just want to keep it really like flat. Let's put a bit more water on it. See how it's sudding up just a little bit? You don't really need to get it too suddy. One wash should be enough unless it's really dirty. You can wash it twice. And then you always sort of just want to rinse the hair so that the water's going in a downward motion. Just, it helps with getting any tangles or knots out of the halo and avoiding knotting it. Whereas if you sort of like rinse it like this, yeah, see how it can kind of get a little bit tangly there? And just sort of run your fingers through it. This is a really important step, is rinsing the halo, because it's really easy to accidentally not rinse out all the product in the hair. So just keep rinsing it for a little while, even though you feel like it might be rinsed out. Just keep going so that you really do ensure that you get all the suds and shampoo out of the halo. You don't want to have it on too warm either. And so once you've shampooed, you then want to just squeeze some of the excess water out and grab your Sitting Pretty conditioner. The conditioner just helps with making the halo really soft and getting any tangles out that might have been caused by washing.
It's so satisfying to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need to leave the conditioner in too long either, so 30 seconds to a minute is pretty good. And then again, you just want to really make sure that you rinse this thoroughly. Just really want to get all those suds out so that there's no residue in the halo when it dries. And then just like normal hair, squeeze the excess water out. So now that it's washed and conditioned, you can get a towel and sort of like do that with the towel over it so you get even more of the excess water out. But you can pretty much just hang that up now, whether you want to hang it on a coat hanger or in a drawer, and just sort of like let it air dry. And once it's air dried, it'll dry with a bit of a natural wave in it, just like normal hair, and then you're ready to style after that.